everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today I'll be working on Bosnport again. This time we're working on weathering and adding detail to my high street, which is just here. Not particularly good view. Yeah, we'll be adding the last few details and bits, well I say last few details, but a few more details for over here just to make it look rather nice. The things which I want to be doing today is, other than adding weathering, is I want to add like the chimneys and stuff, which I did forget to do while building, so I'll be adding some of them. That'll be the first thing to do. Then I'll be adding some advertisement signs, because I think they might make things look a little bit more better. So I'll probably add some on this wall, some on this wall, and maybe some on the back here. Just see where I can fit things really. Then I'll also be adding, well then probably doing the weathering then. And then I'll also string up the wires for the trolleybus. So I've got the adverts and stuff here. So I'll pop them over there for a moment. That's the string for the trolleybus. Also got the street signs over there. Zoom in over there, and also the paper and cardboard for the chimneys and stuff. And something else which I want to do for weathering, so I want to use these pastels. So I'll be scraping out some pastels onto a dish, and then start using this very soft brush, and then using that to add weathering. See how well that turns out. And also use the usual weathering bits which I've still got left lying around. And yeah, and also add the street signs which I've already mentioned. And yeah, we'll just see how well that turns out. I'm not too sure if I'll be able to cover up this gap. I'll see what I can do. It's not really that much noticeable compared to the others, but it is bothering me. And I'll see what I can do at the bottom there as well. May just add a little bit of a wall just in front of there, and that I may just, yeah, that one's a bit awkward. But yeah, I'll see what I can do. But first things first is add more chimneys, and also probably sort out the one which I didn't do the outlining bit last time because I forgot about it. But yes, we'll see how things go, and also I'll probably glue this down as well, because I'm done underneath there. And yeah, I may try to fill in a few other gaps. Let's see how that goes. But anyway, yes, first of all, chimneys. So I'll see you in a bit. right, here we are with pretty much all the work done, and it's starting to look quite nice really. I was thinking about putting some greenery on top, but considering that I've got a lot of greenery on the terraced houses over there, I figured I'll just make these roofs mucky instead. Still need to make sure some of these are glued down properly, especially some of these chimneys. Not the best chimneys, but oh well, they'll do. But yeah, I'm quite happy with how the weathering's turned out. Using all the pastels. So a bit more. Yeah, always got a little bit of a gap underneath there. I'll fill that in. As for filling in the make sure it's all inside. As for filling in some of the gaps at the bottom here, what I'm thinking about doing is getting some grey milliput. I've been working that in. Unfortunately, I've only got white and black, and I don't think you can mix the colours together to make grey. I'll probably also do the same for over here. So when I get some grey milliput, I'll work on doing that and then paint if I need to. But yes, all the roofs are weathered. Also gave a bit of weathering on the sides. This is still gluing. Did do a bit of weathering, a bit extra weathering with some spare pastels on the terrace, and also the tower block. Stuck up some advertisement signs. Put a few of them down there. There's a few down there, and opposite where the station building is, there's a couple down there as well. And also, I put a few. Ooh, there. Put a few on the bus. Well, the trolleybus. And I have got the trolleybus wires up, which are a bit difficult to see. You might just be able to see them. Let me just make sure something's in focus. If you look against the red, you can just about see two thin wires. And they go all the way around and up over here. So yeah, that's the trolleybus wires done. So yes, I'm quite pleased about that. All the chimneys are added. All the little signs are added. So there's a no parking sign there, which the co-op van is blatantly ignoring, so expecting to be towed away soon. So yes, that is the town done. I do want to add some extra little bits back here, but I haven't got any extra little bits. Something like bags and debris. So yes, I'll have to do for another day. So things for another day is basically the milliput and just extra little bits, boxes and things, and stick them down there. So yes, that's for that. Next video will be working on the station, which is basically more of the same and adding more details. Also, I did do a bit of weathering on the bridge here. Not all that, just about to see it. It's only a little bit of weathering. Mainly I had to spare weathering stuff, so yeah. But yeah, next thing is the station. So that's the entire length of the station. I do want to replace these signs because they're not all that particularly good, and I could make them bigger. So you can definitely see where you're coming from or going to. Then after that, it's working on the goods yard. And then we get to doing something else, which I can't remember at the moment. I think it's doing some more wiring. It doesn't surprise me. So yes, that is the plan. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you do like it, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. And if you didn't like it, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. And also, I did forget to mention, the wall is down there, just to block up a little bit. Yes. But yeah, hope you enjoy it. If you didn't, hope you enjoyed it anyway. And I hope to see you again next time. So take care now. Bye-bye.